speaker in spoken English? Do you want to speak like a celebrity? Do you want to speak like a sports person who speaks very well? His pronunciation is attractive, beautiful. So in this video you're going to learn about vocabulary. So vocabulary is an integral part of your spoken English. Without vocabulary you are not going to learn how to speak English. You can't speak English without vocabulary. To build a strong vocabulary you can do something like, I'm going to give you some tips as well. You can read newspapers in the morning, especially. You can take any newspaper in Assam. There is Assam Tribune, a popular newspaper, and you can take Times of India as well, but Times of India and the Hindu is not available here. It takes only 3 days to get this newspapers. So if you want to read a newspaper like Assam Tribune, you can get so many vocabularies from that particular newspaper. Especially in the morning time, you have to read the newspaper, you find out the odd words, especially vocabularies. You can learn a lot of vocabulary from the newspapers. I'm going to tell you some words, especially a tweet was gone viral when Shashi Tharoor, he tweeted a very good sentence, especially a message. So in that message, I still can remember a word Farago. Farago mane ki apnalage jana ne? Farago mane ase khichdi. Farago is a beautiful word. Maybe you haven't heard about this word Farago. Farago mane ase khichdi. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some words, especially vocabulary, which are very important for you. It is really helpful for you and you can use in your daily spoken English. So here the whiteboard is, I have written some words. So these words are going to be interesting for you. Have a look at the words behind my whiteboard. I have written attire. Do you know what is the meaning of attire? How to pronounce this? Attire means dress. Apnalke pindha dress. Apnalke jibu dress pindhe, dressor kisuma synonyms thake. To attire mane dhuniya posak. If you are wearing a traditional dress, you can simply use, instead of dress, you can simply use attire. A-T-T-I-R-E. Attire means a dress, beautiful dress. Second word is bask. Bask means you're basking under the sunlight, and you can say a sentence like, I'm basking on the success of glory. So something is good. Mane kiba eta bhalor karone hoy ase, to apne kobo je apnake eta example lopa, I'm basking on the success of glory. Actually the meaning of the bask is, baskor meaning to hoise road lua. Apnaloke sujjo pohor adipua road lua, yar ortho hoise bask. Kintu yar kisuman beleg different meaning ase. Apnaloke etu meaning enko hopa kiba eta bhal kam apni koribo goi ase, hetu orthor byabohar hoy jane. I'm basking on the success of glory. Eta beautiful sentence hoy. To bask mane gom pale road lua. Next is caliber. Caliber means hamotho. So you have the caliber to do this. Eta sentence ho pare, apni eta sentence simply making kori pare, banaba pare. I have the caliber to do this. Apna himmat ba apna hamotho. Next ase drench. What a beautiful word. I like it. Ei shobdor khub bhal lage mor. Apnaloke eta borokhonor titi paise ne? To tita to English ki koy jane? Borokhonor tita to koy drench. So jodi apni borokhonor titi se apni keneke eta sentence making kori pare. So I'm getting drenched in rain. There is raining outside. I scare of going out because I may get drenched. Moi borokhonot titibo paro. So drenched meaning hoise tita, borokhonot tita. Apnaloke horu najanisile ajilu, kintu aji apnaloke janile drenched mane ki. Next is dashing. What's up? D alphabetor ketama word is dashing. Dashing mane stylish. Wow, you look dashing. Your attire is so beautiful. Apnar posak jobor dhuniya lagise, apnar dhuniya stylish nisna lagise. Aru apni ebu word apnaloke celebrity hog ba bihek personality dhuniya amar dhuniya English koy jone sports person hoy, teolok mukhot apnaloke shunibo paye. To kenuka lagile a word to dashing khub bhal lagine, stylish hoy hane. Next is a very good. I like this word. Mo khub bhal lage word to. Mo enko vocabulary use kori more moi jene kotha ko enko vocabulary use kori khub bhal lage more. Stardom. Can you tell me what's the meaning of stardom? Stardom mane ki jane apni? ষ্টাৰডম বহুত ধুনীয়া ৱৰ্ড ষ্টাৰডম মানে হৈছে এনেকুৱা এজন পাৰ্চন এনেকুৱা এজন খেলুৱৈ হয় যিজনে খেলৰ কাৰণে পপুলাৰ হৈছে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল হিমা দাস চ' হিমা দাস ইজ পপুলাৰলি ন'ন এজ ধিং এক্সপ্ৰেছ ৰাইট চ' হিমা দাস কেনেকৈ হ'ল ইমান পপুলাৰ তো যি এজন খেলুৱৈ হিচাপে বা এজন এক্ট্ৰেছ হিচাপে পপুলাৰ হয় জনপ্ৰিয় হয় তাক কি কয় ষ্টাৰডম চ' হিমা দাস গট her stardom after winning the gold medal in Asian Championship. So, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ vocabulary শিকিবলৈ যদি আপোনালোকে মন কৰে তেন্তে মোৰ চেনেলটো ফলো কৰিব সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব নাপাহৰিব কেনেকুৱা আপোনালোকে এটা vocabulary কমেণ্টত জনাব Thank you for watching.